Hi, my name is Jose Dominguez, and we are here at this residential area in San Jose, California. Today we are doing a few things on this house. We're fixing the bottom portion of the stucco. We're gonna upgrade it. Also, we're gonna do repairs on the crack areas of the stucco and also paint job. Today we're doing upgrade on the bottom portion of the stucco walls because these older houses, it doesn't have the proper way to get rid of moisture on the walls. You know, before mid-70s, all these homes had stucco going all the way to the ground. So what happened is all that moisture goes up into the wood framing and, you know, potentially can damage the house or attract termites. Okay, so the repairs that we're doing today is basically starting with demolition. We're gonna remove the bottom portion of the wall up to 16 inches, leaving a space for us to install the whipscrete and also replace ventilations. What it does is by opening the walls, we can see the wood framing, if it's not too damaged, if it's not any. Basically, we're gonna look for any damage. It could be rotting wood, it could be termite damage. So we're gonna make sure we open everything first to assess the damage. Another thing that we're doing here is also doing maintenance for the stucco before we do a paint job. Basically going over the big crack areas and patching more than just with simple padding, right? We're doing with some adhesive and a fiberglass mesh. So what it does is make this repairs last longer before the paint job. Yeah, we're also doing a paint job over this entire home exterior, and we're gonna make sure first we take care of the stucco, and another part of the maintenance for the stucco is a paint job, right? We're gonna do 2 layers of paint over the entire house, walls and trim, and primer over the repairs. Again, my name is Jose Dominguez with Plastering Solutions. If you have any questions about your home, please let us know. Send me a message down below.